Good morning for class. I am your SST teacher and today is Friday. Students, as you know, the weekend is approaching. So today I am giving you the written work. Look at the screen. The question is already written here. Yesterday, remember, we learned about the map and the globe and the differences and similarities between them. So today's work is related to it. Write down two similarities and two differences between map and a globe. You have to write two similarities and then after that you have to write the two differences between them. And for sake of making it easier for you, I have assembled few important points. Please have a good look at them and I hope they will help you in answering the question. After reading them, if you are still unable to write the answer of the question, please feel free to ask me and I will help you in doing that homework. And students, right now we are going to solve a worksheet. Write down comparison between globe and a map, though you have done this question in your notebook already, but we are going to solve it here on workbook as well. Let's start writing. Globes are spherical in shape. Maps are a piece of flat paper. It is difficult to carry globe with you. Maps are easy to carry. Globe shows us more accurate information. A map does not show us very accurate information. Only half of Earth can be seen at a time from the globe. And a map cannot tell you about each and everything in a city or in a place because we have different maps for different purposes. Moving on towards our next question. Read the statement and circle the correct answers. You have to find out whether it is suitable to travel tomorrow. What kind of a map will you use? You want to travel from one city to another city. And before traveling, you want to make sure that your travel goes smooth without any problem. Which kind of map will help you? Road map. Road map tells you about all the important highways and the roads and the facilities that are present on that road. For example, petrol pumps, for example, hotels, for example, tire shops. Agriculture map. As the name is telling you, agriculture map will tell you about the land and the types of the crop that you can grow on that land because not every land is suitable for all types of the crops. Physical map. Physical map means the map that tell you about all the important places in an area. For example, hospital, for example, restaurants, for example, any other important place like bus stop, like taxi stand. So physical map, there are the different physical maps for even a country. If you take the example of the physical map of the Pakistan, it will show you all the important mountain ranges. It will show you where is sea present in Pakistan. It will show you like the river Indus, where it starts from, where it ends from. It will show you all the important 4 or 5 provinces of Pakistan. So physical map, they tell us about the important places. And the last one, weather map, it tells you about the weather. It tells you how the weather of a city will be in next 2, 3 or 4 days. So the map that we are going to consult before traveling, it will be a weather map. Because if the weather is suitable only, then we will be able to travel. Question number 2, you are looking for the best restaurant in the city and you have to find out where it is situated. What kind of map will you use? You will use a physical map because restaurants, they are important landmarks and these landmarks, they are found in physical maps. You have been given a project to explore about the physical feature mean mountains, deserts, sea. These are called the physical feature and you want to study about these features of Pakistan. You have to prepare a presentation that explains the different landforms that are in the country. What kind of map will you use? it again will be a physical map. Your father wants to buy farms in different places. He has to find out what area will be suitable for cotton crop. Cotton crops mean agriculture. So the map that will help us will be a agricultural map. Please solve this worksheet and write the answer of that question, and after completing it, take a picture of your homework and upload it in comment section so I can check it. Thank you so much, students. Take care.